Alright, so hello everyone. In our last video we created this linux.txt file. So now in this video I'll show you how to actually add text in this text file. So let's just use the command echo and then speech marks, and then inside there let's just write something like, hey, I'm learning Linux. Now take note, there are many ways to add text in this, but I'm just using echo just for fundamental sake. So now, hey, I'm learning Linux, and then once that's written, let's just type in an angle tag, space, and then the name of the text file, which is linux.txt. Once we do that, you just click enter. So echo, and then the text, then the angle tag, and then the name of the text file you want this text to actually be in. So once that's done, you can just click enter. Alright, so let's just click enter. Now once you click enter, it's already been done. So one way you can now see what's in it, to see if it's worked, is you can just type in the command cat. So just type in cat and then the name of the txt file, which is linux.txt, and then click enter. Now once you click enter, to show you this sentence, hey, I'm learning Linux, which is the sentence that we just added using echo. So that's one way you can do that. Now so another way you can another way you can add text is, or another way you can edit text, is by using a command called nano. Now nano is a text editor. So just type in nano linux.txt and then click enter. Now once you click enter, to take you here, you see we have the file name there, linux.txt, and then we have the text, which is, hey, I'm learning Linux. To exit, just write Ctrl X and then you'll be back to the terminal. So that's basically another way of editing and writing text in Linux. Alright, so now let me show you how to copy and paste files in Linux. So in order to do that, all you have to do is, let me just type in pwd to get the address of the home directory, which is users, which is /users/user. Copy this and then let me go to the Linux directory. Now once I go to the Linux directory, let me just first let me clear the screen just to make it more clean. So in order for me to copy this Linux text file to the home directory, all I have to do is just type in cp, which stands for copy, then the name of the file I want to copy, which is linux.txt, and then paste the address of the home directory. So cp, the file you want to paste, the file you want to copy, and then the place where you want to copy it to, and then click enter. Now once you click enter, let me just go back to the home directory, type in ls, and then you can see that the Linux directory, the Linux text file has been copied to the home directory. So that's basically how you do it. Alright, so now let me show you how to move files. So let me move the Linux text file into the pictures. So let me just cd into the pictures, type in pwd, copy the address to the pictures directory. So let me copy this, go back to the home directory, type in ls. Alright, so now let me move this text file, the linux.txt, into the pictures. So let me just type in mv. So we're planning on moving this linux.txt file into the pictures. So just type in mv, the name of the file you want to move, which is linux.txt, and then the address to where you want to move it to, and then click enter. Now once you click enter, type in cd pictures and then type in ls. Now you can see that the linux.txt file is now in the pictures directory. So we have officially moved it there. That's how you do it. Alright, so now let me show you how to remove files. Alright, let me show you how to remove files and directories. So first, let me show you how to first remove files. So let me go cd into the Linux directory, go in the Linux directory, type in ls. Now for me to delete this text file, the linux.txt file, I need to use a command called rm. So rm means remove. So rm linux.txt. So rm linux.txt. Now this will delete this text file. So when I click enter and then type in ls, you can see that the linux.txt file is no longer present. So let me go back to the home directory, clear the screen, type in ls. So now that was basically how to delete files. Now let me show you how to delete directories. So to delete directories, just type in rm-rf and then the name of the directory, which is Linux. Once you do that, click enter, and then when you type in ls, you can see that there is no Linux directory. So the Linux directory has officially been deleted. That's how you do it.